Hi, I'm Luigi Groton, Vice President of Nutrition Education at Herbalife, and welcome to Health Talk. Let's discuss proper exercise because supplements and diet can only get you so far without a solid exercise regimen. Any time is the right time to get outdoors, get in shape, and renew your commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Now, how much you work out depends on your schedule, but I recommend 3 to 5 times a week. Generally, I split a workout between alternating days. The first day I'll work the upper body, the next day I work the lower body. We don't want to wear out the joints, the bones, ligaments, and muscles, so you don't want to focus on the same muscle groups every day. Now, the one exception is working the abdominal muscles, which you can do every day to help strengthen the core. Here are some helpful hints to keep in mind as you shape up. Number 1, take time to warm up. Spending 5 to 10 minutes warming up prepares your body for exercise. Walk before jogging, jog before running, and don't forget to stretch. Warm muscles allow for a greater range of motion for your joints and make injuries less likely. Number 2, think variety. Have you ever started a fitness program and then you let it fizzle out? The reason could have been boredom. A program that includes several fitness activities, for example, walking or biking on Wednesdays and playing tennis or swimming on Fridays and Sundays, will help maintain your interest and keep you motivated. Number 3, get your antioxidants. Don't forget about the important role that proper nutrition plays in achieving an active lifestyle. Try to get at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day in order to get the most out of your fitness program. If you're exercising regularly, it's a good idea to give your body what it needs. Herbalife's personalized protein powder is an essential supplement for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. With 5 grams of soy and whey protein and all 9 essential amino acids, this plain, unsweetened formula can be added to your Formula One shake or stirred into plain water, soups, and sauces. You can also take a serving of Herbalife's Nightworks dietary supplement before or during exercise to increase your body's nitric oxide production, which helps support normal blood circulation utilizing L-arginine, an amino acid. Nightworks is also high in vitamin C and E, which are beneficial antioxidants known to help protect the cells against free radicals. This will help support vascular and circulatory health, which leads to efficient delivery of oxygen and fuel to muscle cells. For more information on any of the Herbalife products, go to www.herbalife.com. You can order these or any of the Herbalife products today from an Herbalife independent distributor. This concludes today's discussion of Health Talk. I'm Luigi Groton, reminding you to exercise wisely and exercise often.